Okay, thank
You
you.
must taste them. Must taste them.
Okay.
Fruit Rasgulla is like endangered family.
So, what business are you in, Mr. Rajni?
I sell decorative hardware. Locks, doorknobs, toilet fittings, pots and pans.
There's good money in this?
No, it's fine. Well, my job is not an ATM, but it was difficult at first. As long as I promote my samples, I earn money. But cast iron pans are bonanza and festival season.
Sorry, it took so long. Please ask. Mondya. Tea? Or sorry, I tried to warm it. Mondya put it in the deep freezer.
Yeah.
So sorry. So, what has Anushka said to you? Sugar?
No sugar.
Fine.
And what's in the rasgulla?
Mango. Mango? Yes. It's pretty textbook. It's my own little recipe. Shame it's going to be so cold. Mango? First time I heard, huh? It's pretty textbook. But then, there's a little trick to it. Oh, the trick? Instead of the actual fruit, I use mango jelly.
She's not telling you the original secret. Just let them guess.
Elaichi extract. But I should tell you, it is actually my mother-in-law's recipe.
Right, very, very delicious.
See, you came to our house and learned the recipe.
Yes. Just that I would have preferred it if it hadn't got my son to eat. But
Oh no!
Yes, good enough. Yes, thanks for. Yeah. You have the report. Good. No! Do not say anything. You'll only feed the controversy. Well, what about these symptoms? What is ataxia? And how long have you known about this? 2 years. And yet all this while you never recalled it. Right. I'll just be back.
Yemandi, we're all waiting. Join us.
Coming. Hello, Parma. They're known the risk for 2 years, it seems. No. There are no precautions whatsoever. No, not a word about this in the annual report, understood? Some stability problems, basically you look like a drunk. Yeah. Yes, not a word about this in the annual report, understood? Yeah, I really have to go. I have not had any lunch. I get to get a bit indecent at times.
It's okay. Please have some more.
Khao, Aro khao.
Right,
It's all yours.
So, the rasgulla, they're your mother's?
The recipe is my mother's, but Onu made this one.
Your mother doesn't have the mango jelly and all.
वो नहीं.
But poor thing has to have an operation. Why? For me.
They're going to insert a rotable prosthesis made of metal and polythene. She's wondering what's going to happen to it after cremation.
See,
She doesn't want the ashes to flow in the Ganga, as she's afraid that some Hilsa fish may eat it and that fish may land on her dinner. Imagine we Bengalis eating our own mothers. Olu can make the best fish fry. We have some in the fridge. If you want, she and Dhonja can make it in a jiffy.
I would love to have some.
okay, Yemandi.
Sorry, my wife's Brahmin. Just me.
Yemandi.
Sorry, we are Brahmin.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Anuji, we should really thank you for your generosity. We appreciate that you are calming this than worsening it. No, it's the least we could do, really. Then if it was the other way around, if my husband and I would have been so broad-minded.
Of course you would have been,
What? A boy beating up a girl? Disgusting! What are we, cavemen? Of course we're all broad-minded, huh? Oh, excuse me, I think it's coming from the kitchen. One second. I'm so sorry. Oh dear.
So, where you two from?
Well, both of us are from Hyderabad. But we've been living in Mumbai for the last 10 years.
Yes. And where is your proper?
Huh?
Your proper?
What she needs is, where is your native place?
That.
Oh, Howrah.
Oh dear. Very good.
My wife. My wife. Sorry.
I'm so sorry. Dhondia broke a plate. Porcelain one. No problem, Anuji.
Wait, what?
So, Anushka, what state of mind is she in? She doesn't say anything, Ji. Probably still shocked, Kada. Oh, but she does understand that she has disfigured her playmate, right?
No. No, she does not understand that she's disfigured her playmate. No, you should understand, okay? She partially understands that there has been a rowdy element to her behavior, which is definitely unacceptable, and she knows that. She, however, does not understand that she disfigured her playmate.
You may not care for the word, but the word is unfortunately accurate.
My child is not disfigured, your child.
Your child has disfigured my child. The dentist freaked after looking at his face.
Temporarily disfigured.
Swelling on his lip will go down, and as for his teeth, take him to the best dentist. We are prepared to chip
No.
it.
See, that is not required. What is required is that these two children meet and make up, so that this does not happen in the future.
So, shall we arrange a meeting?
Yes, that's the answer.
And should we be there?
They don't need to be coached, Amru.
The question isn't that. The question is whether they want to meet together and talk to one another about the whole issue.
Anubhav definitely wants to.
Exactly. And what about Anushka? She has to. But it has to come from within her, right? That and all won't be required, Tanuji. See, if Anushka is forced to meet Anubhav in a punitive context, I don't see the results being very positive.
Mrs. Ghosh, our daughter is a bandit queen. I myself would be surprised if she got all surprised as remorse started from within her. Amaru, I'm sorry, I have to go back to the office.
I am sorry, my husband is just overworked.
I am not in the least bit, okay?
So, what have you decided?
Can you get Anushka over here today at 7?
Her IIT foundation class gets over only at 7. 7:30 is okay?
7:30 is fine.
But no, I won't be there. Why don't you guys come over?
I don't think it's right for the victim to make the trip. I feel Anushka should come over.
Exactly. And I feel that personally her father should be even.
1 second. Hello. No, not a word about this in the executive report. There is no evidence in the first place. Understood? Yes. And it can't be tomorrow because I have a case at the Supreme Court in Delhi.
See, the main thing is the two children should meet and make up. I will bring Anushka here at 7:30 and they can talk to her. You don't seem convinced, Anuji. See, if Anushka hasn't acquired the accountability skills, then they would just be glaring at each other and it would be of no use.
Accountability skills. Mrs. Ghosh, what are you talking about?
Each one is responsible for one's own actions. That's what our sir Anubhav has learned in school today. You see, I think Anushka should come here. And she should apologize to Anubhav because she's created the whole problem and she should do
That
it.
is a lot of shoulds, Mrs. Ghosh. She'll come here, she'll discuss it, she'll feel sorry for it. Clearly, your parenting skills are much more evolved than us. But we do hope to improve, but please, in the meantime, do indulge us.
Hey, this is idiotic. We are deviating. This is not what it is about. सुनो, एक और चाह हो जाए, एक और.
No.
Okay.
No. That won't be okay. We should really go.
They're being so nice to us. If we say no, they feel bad.
ठीक है? It's all right, Donu. I'll do it. Dhondia!
such a short life. Yes. Very nice. Tagore. Tagore's. Yes, yes. I really like Tagore. But not only Tagore. Ramkinkar Veg, S.D. Burman, Kishore Da. You see, I think the domain of arts is dominated by us Bengalis.
Yes, absolutely. So, a picture of goddess Kali. I am sorry, I've always had this phobia.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Is Anushka interested in art?
Yes, Chief, very much.
Oh.
But with all this IIT coaching and all, there is the time for things.
True, true. Even we try to fill in the gaps in the education system. We try to take them to our galleries and museums.
Your children.
Exactly. We think that culture can be a very powerful, beautifying force for peace.
Yes, yes, you're right.
I need to show you something. It's my own artwork.
That is Anubhav, right? Yes, yes, Anubhav. Wonderful, Anuji. He looks just like you.
Thank you so much. At least I managed to capture my charming sweetie pie's countenance before it was metamorphosed.
Yes.
In my school days, there was this guy named Bablu. We had agreed to have a fight.
काट दिया क्या आपने उसका?
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत.
In my school days, we used to call it Chindi Meow. But I used to beat them with Chindi Meow. Changing times, huh?
Exactly, exactly.
Should we please forget all this bubble?
ఈ మనుషులు ఈ చాలు అండి.
As I was saying, should we please forget all this bubble? Pallavi ji, would you please let me speak to Anushka?
Yes, by all means, Anuji.
Because I definitely wouldn't want to do it without your permission.
No problem.
Anuradha,
Yes?
you know, you seem to be trying to educate us on. Okay, you know, we know parenting. See, no, thank you. See, I understand that my daughter has injured your boy.
On purpose.
See, that is the kind of remark that troubles me. Obviously on purpose.
But that makes all the difference.
The difference between what and what, madam? My daughter picked up a stick, hit your son. That's why we're here, isn't it?
Andy, కోపం వద్దండి.
Hey, Margaret, I feel you sleeping on purpose here. What sort of message is that supposed to be sending you?
No benefit is coming from this kind of argument. We are broad-minded, remember?
मैडम मैडम
क्या?
पैसे
प्लेट के पैसे
सॉरी मैडम
बाथरूम साफ कर दिया
नहीं
जा जाके साफ कर एक सेकेंड ये ट्रे सब किधर है
नीचे है, मैंने रखा था.
लेके जा जल्दी जा
So, 7:30 today is fine.
Your husband seems very overworked, huh?
I know.
I am not. Not in the least bit. Sorry. Hello. Yes. No comment. Well, no. What am I
So
don't make
wasn't
any
it,
statement. Marky.
Wasn't it Anushka who acted in that play Macbeth last year?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
She was very good.
Yes, my daughter.
No, we are not taking Antle off the market. Of course not. By taking Antle off the market, we are admitting to liability.
She played one of the three witches.
Well,
Yes.
we are not taking Antle off the market just because some people are mistaking the puja room to be the bathroom. Yes. Yeah. I'll call Varma and let him know. Yes.
Nothing do you remember in the play?
She played a brilliant job.
Thank you.
Hello, Varma. Yeah. I want a press release that doesn't sound defensive at all. Just say something like Bayer Pharma is the target. Attempted manipulation of stock prices 2 weeks before the stockholders meeting. Where does the study come from? Etc. 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 Yeah. Not one word about the health issues. All right? Yeah.
Really bad, huh? All these pharmaceutical companies, only profit, profit, profit.
Excuse me, but you needn't listen in on this conversation.
Well, you were having it under my roof.
I'm forced to. Trust me, against my will.
They'll try any drug on you, any medicine, without giving second thought.
In any therapeutic advance, there are benefits and then there are risks.
Yeah, sure, but still, funny job you've got, huh? Funny job.
Meaning?
Actually, this got nothing to do with us.
Arey, funny job.
And what is it you do?
I told you, I have an ordinary job.
And what is an ordinary job?
I sell pots and pans
And doorknobs.
and toilet fittings.
Toilet fittings. Now that is very interesting. I like toilet fittings, by the way, okay?
Why not?
How many types are there?
There are two different systems.
Oh.
Push button and overhead flush.
I see.
It depends upon the water feed. The water either comes from up or it comes from down.
Oh, I see.
If you like, I could introduce you to my godown friend in Dharavi.
Wow, Mr. Rajdeep. You seem to know your business pretty well.
Yes, I do.
So, once you're done with your plumbing discussions, can you please focus on what we are talking about here?
I am not feeling very well.
What happened?
Yes, you do look very pale, Amulu.
शरीर खराब नाकी तो मत.
You don't suppose it's a rasgulle?
It's
Cold, spoiled prawns might be the problem.
There must be some uni enzyme. We'll try to get it. Uni enzyme है.
Soda अच्छे Rajdeep.
Soda will be good. Add some salt to it. Salt. She's coming. Yeah, eight seconds. Hello.
Yeah. Excellent. But don't forget,
धीरे
nothing's
धीरे
true.
just move around.
Nothing is definite. If anyone screws up, Kunal will rot in Tihachir and our Khopris will be in the line.
धीरे.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
I'll call you back. Wait.
I'm so sorry, there was no